This was my first swallowtail playing in the garden this morning. Um, she, she just everywhere. But that's her, the first swallowtail of the season in my garden. She's big and beautiful and busy. She's excited. It seems like she's excited about life. Mm, yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you are having a good day today. It is, what today is? It's Monday morning. Yeah, I'm having a really good morning. It's really nice. It's I don't know the temperature, but it's a feel good type of morning. It's like no shoes. Uh, yeah, yeah. It's one of those days that we all look for. Here she is. Here she is. But listen, guys, I hope you all having a great morning. But this is my onion. Check it out, y'all. They are so big. That's the grow bag they're in. And that is them. They are just wonderful. Maybe I could stand up because I'm sitting down now, y'all. Let me stand up so you can really get a good look at them. They're in a 100-gallon grow bag. Yeah, and that is them. A lot of them. So I wanted my nephew Chris to see this because that's these is those Texas onions. I don't know too much about these Texas onions, but that's okay. That's okay. I got my nephew Chris, over there back tower. So check it out, Chris. You see there? She getting a big old butt. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, and look at this one here too. She grabbing hold of something back here. Wait a minute. Let me see. Can I find her on the camera? Ah, there she is right there. Come on, girl. That's her. Yeah. So a lot of them is really spreading out at the bottom. So, and they are, I'm sorry, they are very healthy and strong. It's just beautiful. Absolutely. And I'm looking forward to the harvest, y'all. I'm looking forward to the harvest. Look at that. She's really big. Yeah. But anyway, I want to thank my niece and nephew from Back to Our Roots Homestead, Cheryl and Chris. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for the Texas onions. Yeah, I'm looking forward to making a lot of um, meals from these onions. All right, so this is one of my little Katrina brick beds. As you can see, she did a lot over the spring. I grew a lot of food in this little garden bed, and I'm so grateful for it. Yes, she still have a lot of food still in her cells. There's the artichoke is here. Here's a leek in one of them. Of course, there's another kohlrabi in here. And this is one of my regrows. This leek, I purchased this leek from the store and I replanted her bottom, and that's her. It's a regrow. This one here also, that is a regrow. Yeah. And this is just I dropped the seed, and this plant that's coming up in this cup is, I'm gonna put her right here in this cell where she's at. But that plant back there, this plant here, yeah, y'all know that's mullein. Yes, that's mullein. And in the other little cups, Chris, those are peppers. And right in the cells where they are sitting, this is where I'm going to plant them. Huh? Yeah, I thought I had another cup under there, but I guess I didn't. Yeah, but this little Katrina brick bed is, she's really small, she's really small, but yeah, yeah, she's a blessing, and I love it. I love it. Yep. I have, it's a Creole. Now this Creole tomato plant here, and look at here, she's about to put on some flowers. You see that? Now, I gotta say, I did not drop the seed to these two. I have two, one right there. I did not drop the seeds to these Creole girls. No. Um, uh, my beautiful friend over there, he owns the nursery, what's the name? Southern Gateway. He owns Southern Gateway Nursery. And every time I go there, and he always give me something. And one thing for sure, he always have for me, every year, he definitely is going to have two Creole tomato plants waiting for me. They got my name on it. So I thank him so much because, he knows that I love him, and he definitely want to be a provider. It really is just like, I'm helping him by giving him my business. So he helping me by giving me a little lanyard, y'all. So if you don't know what lanyard means, lanyard just simply means a little something extra. Yeah, yeah, that's all it means. But he always have a little lanyard for me. Who don't like a little lanyard, right? So this is my endive right there. I've been eating on it really good. This is a parsley plant, and I think it's two of them here. There's one here, and there's one here. And this is the root of my moringa. One of my moringa oleifera trees, because she died. But, y'all, I got to have the roots. I'm going to keep the roots. I'm going to dry it out, and I'm going to powder the roots. I'm going to make tea with that thing. Yeah. So I planted two moringa oleifera's over here, and both of them died. Well, they look like they were dead. But this one, yes, she says I live, and this is why I didn't take her up, because I saw her, and I knew she wanted to live, and there she is, y'all. The Miss Oleifera, Miss Moringa Oleifera, she want to live, so I'm gonna let her live. Now, this is a cactus plant that was given to me years ago. Years, family. This to me many years ago. I don't, maybe 3 to 4 years ago, she sent these cactus to me, and I have just been letting them say right here. I had two more, but I guess they're gone. But as you can see, she is doing beautifully. And over here, she got more of her over here. Yeah, I just let her grow over here. This is a great spot for her, and she love it. And that is 4 o'clock plants growing right there. Yeah, I dropped the receipt. And there's more. That's the iris right there. That's the iris coming up in that log. And this plant here is a salvia. I think it's called salvia, but it's purple. She's beautiful. And I purchased her, I want to say last year or so. I'm not sure, but I got her. And she's growing everywhere. Look at her. Yeah, she's spreading her wings out. I dropped seeds in here, all kinds, morning glories, um, just a lot of seeds of flowers. I'm looking forward to them. Yay. So it's been a beautiful morning, and I'm gonna go in now and get some lunch, y'all, because, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So this is my Jamaican sorrow. It's Jamaican sorrow, y'all. It's Jamaican sorrow. They doing their thing. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Sorry about that shadow, y'all, but can't do nothing with God business, right? Yeah. That's okay. Hey guys, so Jaydah is home from school, and I'm happy. I got my help, y'all. I got some help.
About time.
Yes, about time, Jaydah. So what Jaydah and I is doing today, baby, you gotta go deep in that thing. There you go. So I have two of these little trellises. This is the one Jody purchased for me. And this is the one my baby Danny purchased for me from Danny's Corner. Hey, my baby. And they both do amazing jobs in these beds. You like it?
Yeah. It's a little work, but, it's life without work.
Exactly. But anyway, so Jaydah and I is getting this little bed together because we're gonna drop some seeds, Jaydah.
With not only some seeds, a lot of seeds.
Well, we're gonna drop a lot of seeds. A lot of seeds we're dropping. So as soon as we get it all together and get ready to drop our seeds, we will share what seeds we're dropping and just how we're gonna do it. Okay?
I'd like to share something about, kind of now.
Okay.
My favorite part of, planting and gardening.
Wait, let me get closer so they can hear you.
My favorite part of gardening is spending time with my Mimi and harvesting and eating it. And eating what you grew.
Yes, that's good. I like that. That sounds good. All right, baby. All right, guys. We'll see y'all when we get it together.
Alrighty.
All right, y'all. I had to go and grab Stanley. I had to go grab my boy. I need a little sow. I need a little sewing. Ooh. Come on, Stanley. Come on, Stanley. That's my boy. Here we go. And that is why I needed Stanley to divide this bed. That's cool, huh?
Yeah, now we can actually drop some seeds.
Okay, so now we're just gonna pile that soil we move back under it. And let's get it popping. All right, guys, so Jaydah and I have one half of this bed ready. We put some lines in the beds, and that's how we're gonna meet up. Huh, Jaydah? We have lots of seeds we're gonna put in this bad boy. And so in this bed, we are going to be dropping lots of... Sure.
Lots of herbs and lots of carnivores. Oh, did I just say carnivores?
Yes, you say carnivores.
You can say it.
No, brassicas.
Brassicas.
Yeah.
I was thinking of science in my class.
That's okay. That's okay. But yeah, we dropping herbs and brassicas. Lots of herbs and brassicas in this bed. And we are just visualizing, we are trying to visualize the look of this garden Just when we get it done, that's what we're doing. Yeah. But yep. Jaydah have her stack of seeds. I have mine. And now what we're doing is just direct sowing in the beds. I do have some peat moss here, right there, that when we just sit in the seeds on the soil, and this is how we're covering the seeds using our peat moss. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we'll come back when it's all done. Jaydah got to get it all together.
Yeah, I'm getting all my orders.
Yeah, she got to put everything in order before she go. But you know, I'm just rolling. Alright guys, so Jaydah and I have finished half of the dropping seeds in this little raised bed. Just half. Jaydah. That's okay, you're good. Don't forget over there by the parsley plant. They got some seeds I dropped over there. All right. Good deal. Yeah. So Jaydah and I have been having great conversation, but it's hot out here, y'all.
This water is getting on my hand and it's actually working.
Yeah, it's feeling good though, huh? I did drop some onions in here that I have kind of leftovers from the onions I have. I have more, and I will be dropping more of them in and around these beds. Yay! But we're done for today. We want to thank you all for hanging out with us. I hope you had a wonderful day too. Cool. Later, y'all.